So today our mechanical engineering students going to discuss about the Neurolink. That is one of the very famous topic. So shall we start?
Good morning all. Myself Ashik, currently pursuing second year mechanical engineering in SNS technology, and my teammates are Karthik PS, Dakshinamurthy, Mohammad Adil and Dharanidharan. We are going to speak on a controversial topic called Neurolink, which is introduced by Elon Musk, where this is basically integrating a chip onto the human brain. Why we are integrating this chip is there are more electrical signals passing through our brain without any external connection. This is basically happening in our human brain. This can be connected to a chip or neurochip. This chip can be integrated with a computer interface, and it can give more signals to our brain, and it can integrate with our brain, and it can convey more signals and more data to our brain, and it can fetch data from our brain to the integrated chip. Further, we will be explaining detailedly about our teammates.
Today I am talking about modern technology. With Neurolinks. Neurochip is a basic brain controller interface (BCA) implanted directly into the skull. It consists of thousand threads with electrodes. It stimulates the brain and brain activities. The surgical robot into the brain regions, compressible for movement and communication. They collect the neurosignals and wirelessly to the computers. It like instructions like typing or external activities. In simple words, the computer speaks, our brain speaks, our computer works. Further details moved by Karthik.
Good morning everyone, I am Karthik PS. Today I am going to talk about the case and the real incident happened in the Neurochip participant, where Neurochip is used in the participant who is 29 years old, named Nolan. He's met an accident to the driving vehicle and is shoulder down. Okay, next. I am Karthik PS. I am going to talk about the case and the real time incident happened in Neurochip. It is the most important notable case where Neurochip is used in the human participant named Nolan, who is 29 years old. He is met with a car accident and his down shoulder has been paralyzed. Then after the implant surgery, he used to move the computer cursor with its thoughts and play the chess game online and even chat with his friends, and also can use many things in it during using the chip. Where next.
So my name is Dharanidharan and I am currently pursuing my second year mechanical engineering at SNS. Now I am going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages faced due to the usage of the Neurolink. So mainly the advantages we have is this is very useful in treating the diseases of Parkinson's, epilepsy and spinal cord accidents. Then it allows even the users with no vision to see and feel things around them through their vision. So mainly talking about the disadvantages now, this requires a skull surgery to implant, which is very hard and which is very expensive. The chip itself is expensive in the first place, and also the threads that are linked to the brain are not supposed to remain forever. That is still uncertain, and the usages are still uncertain, and the human trials require more safety precautions. Only 1 or 2 cases have been done, and which also resulted in positive, but we haven't used it for the more wide scale operations, so due to the safety concerns. Now further will be continued by Mohammad Adil.
So on ethical concerns, like you may ask many questions about the Neurolink in the society, like whether it is misused or hacked, or the thoughts of us in brain will be gone mistaken, or these questions are asked in the society. So like Neurolink, this idea is going to create a rapid growth in the society, like which will use the extraordinary leap between the human and the machine, so which helps to lead society in a good way. Like there is some restriction also. If great powers come with responsibilities. Like what? There is a strict regulation will be followed if this network is implemented in this society.
through this, we conclude that Neurolink can be practically implemented in our society when it is cost efficient, and as Dhananjaran said, we need to go through a surgery where this integrated chip will be inside our brain. So if this is rectified and it is wireless and it is in an external condition of our head, it can be in a social practice, and it can be implemented in that way.
So when we are going for the Neuralink, it is currently in progress. We haven't still yet uncovered the total potential of this Neuralink. So what we know, maybe it can also give people with no vision. It can also make people with hearing aids give full their hearing. It also can make many neural diseases. It also make you many neural diseases which people are currently facing. So Neuralink is a boon and a ban for the society at the same time. Thank you.